How to fix cursor not showing in Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how can you fix the cursor not showing in Windows 10. If you can't see the mouse cursor on your Windows computer, here's how to fix it. First of all, press Windows key plus S. Then type Device Manager in the search bar and press Enter. Press the Tab key and then use the down arrow key to select mice and other pointing devices. Now click on Update and search automatically for the drivers. If it says that the best drivers are already installed, then it's good. If it installs some drivers, wait for them to install and then restart your system. Or let me pick from the list of drivers and install them. And now simply install them one by one. Hopefully your problem has been solved. Restart your computer and see the changes. This is how you can fix the cursor not showing in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.